Getting a digital card Wise is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, you will need to download the Wise mobile app or visit the Wise website and create an account. This will require you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure that is required by law and helps to protect your account from fraud. You will need to provide some identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. And you may also need to provide proof of address. After your account is verified, you can apply for a digital card Wise. This is a virtual debit card that can be used to make online purchases, pay bills, and withdraw cash from ATMs. To apply for a digital card Wise, you will need to log into your Wise account and navigate to the Cards section. From there, you can follow the prompts to apply for a new card. When you apply for a digital card Wise, you will need to provide some additional information such as your address and phone number. You will also need to fund your account with some money, which can be done using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment method. Once your digital card Wise is approved, you can start using it right away. You can add it to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and use it to make contactless payments. You can also use it to make online purchases, pay bills, and withdraw cash from ATMs. It is worth noting that digital card Wise is a prepaid card, which means that you can only spend the amount of money that you have loaded onto the card. This helps to prevent overspending and makes it easier to manage your finances. Additionally, digital card Wise does not charge any foreign transaction fees, which makes it a great option for traveling or making international purchases. Overall, getting a digital card Wise is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and using your digital card Wise responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of a digital debit card.